This is Joel with Lifetime Commercial Roofing. Thanks for tuning in for our Tech Tuesday. Today, we're going to be inspecting metal roofs. I hope you enjoy.
Hey everybody, welcome back to another edition of Tech Tuesday with Lifetime Commercial Roofing. I'm Cody, and today we are going to be inspecting a standing seam metal roof, identifying common maintenance issues and potential leak areas. The first place we always look is the gutters, because that's the first place problems occur. As you can see, we've got a lot of leaves and debris in this gutter, and it backs up the water flow and can cause the water to back up into the roofing system. We also inspect for visible damage from trees or hail or any other wind-blown debris. As you can see, this tree has been rubbing from the wind and it's taken the finish off of these metal panels. This will absolutely void the warranty for the finish of your roof, and it also causes rust holes to develop. Here's a quick example of hail damage to a roof. You can see the small dent here in the panel, and then around it there's a lot of spatter where the dust has been knocked off the roof from small hail hits. If the dent is not easily visible, you can take chalk or a lumber crayon and rub it over the area like so, and it immediately shows a halo around the dent, and that's how we identify hail damage. Another very common area of the roof that needs yearly maintenance and will cause leaks quite often are these penetration flashings, like around this pipe boot. You can see there's sealant placed around the perimeter, but there's also a fastener every inch. So anytime this sealant cracks out, the water can run into any one of these fastener holes. And we also, at the top here, you can see the sealant has failed and the pipe boot is no longer sealed around the pipe. So that needs to be addressed as well. The ridge cap on standing seam metal roofs is also a very common place for leaks to occur. This is called the metal closure. You can see it's got holes drilled in it for ventilation. Those are not the problem. It's right here. If you can see that gap in the sealant tape, wind-driven rain can drive right up in there. And also on the sides here, there's a vertical gap that will cause water to come into the system. It needs to be sealed up with proper sealant and maintained on a yearly basis. Valleys are also another very common place for leaks to occur. This particular valley is a low slope cricket valley that required sealant because the slope was too shallow for the water to flow quickly across it. So we do get water pooling and it flows back into the system. So the sealant is failing at this joint and letting water come back in. So this needs to be cleaned up and fresh sealant reapplied. Again, twice a year or once a year at least, these need to be addressed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and tune in for more videos.
All right, well, that about sums it up for how to inspect metal roofs. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you follow or subscribe to us. And again, if you need any inspection on your commercial building, feel free to call us for a free inspection. Thanks, have a great day.